friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making air fried pizza from canned pizza dough. So all we need is canned pizza dough and tomato sauce and shredded cheese, and if you want to add any other toppings, feel free. So first I'm going to open up a can of pizza dough. So this is pretty big for my air fryer. Here's the size of my basket. So I'm just going to use about half of this dough and shape it so it fits the air fryer basket. And now I'm going to spray the air fryer basket with a non-sticking cooking spray so the pizza dough doesn't stick. As an alternative to spray, you can also brush the air fryer basket with vegetable oil. And now I'm going to put dough in the air fryer basket. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 7 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so I'll take out the basket. So the crust is now pre-cooked. And I'm going to add tomato sauce and cheese. So now I assembled the pizza and I'm going to put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking. So let's take a look at the pizza. Look at that, it looks amazing. Perfectly cooked crust and melted gooey cheese. Looks so good. Now let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. Let me just cut it. Perfect. This is delicious, freshly baked crust and perfectly melted cheese. I love pizza and this tastes amazing. You're going to love making pizza in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!